Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how we can integrate Firebase push notification on both user and driver application, and we will also see how we can integrate Firebase push notification on Node.js. Okay, and we will also see how we can send push notification using our Node.js project. So firstly I'm going to open my user application. Okay, so here just press on open, and then I'm going to select this user application which we have created. Okay, Ubola user app, and just I'm going to open this. And visit console.firebase.google.com website, then you will see this type of interface. As you know that we have already set up our Firebase into our project, and we have already created two projects into our Firebase. Okay, so now I'm going to delete both projects and I'll create single project. Okay, and we will add both project into our single project. So firstly I'm going to delete both project from here. Just click on Ubola driver and then go to project setting, and then here just delete this project. Click on this delete project. So uh, and now here check all the options and click on delete project. So you can see one project deleted. Similarly we will delete this project also. So click on that and then go inside project setting, and then click on delete project again, and then check all the boxes and then press on delete project. So you can see we have no any project. Now I'm going to create one fresh project. So just click on create project, and now I'm going to name as Ubola, and then press continue. Then here press continue, and then choose Ubola here. Okay, or you can create any account. Now I'm going to select this Ubola and then press on create project. Okay, you can see our project is ready. Now click on continue button, then we will be redirected to this page. Okay, so now I'm going to add our application. Firstly I'm going to add this user application. So just click on this Android icon, then we will get this type of interface. So here we will have to add package name of this application. So in the Android section just go inside app section and then src, and then inside main you will get Android manifest file. So here you can see package name of this project. So just copy this and then paste here. Okay, and then click on this register app, and then click on next. And as you know that we have already added this plugin. So firstly add this plugin, So we have already added that plugin here. You can see Google services class path we have already added. Okay, and this plugin I have added inside this build.gradle file here. Okay, Google services, you can see here Google services we have also added, and in the dependency we have added Firebase bomb. Okay, and analytics we have also added. Okay, you can see here. So now click on next button and then click on continue to console, and then go inside project setting, and then you can see one application is there. Okay, we have successfully added our application user app. Now I'm going to add SHA1 and 256 fingerprint key here. Okay, so to get this I'm going to open this Android project. Okay, this project, so just click on this open for editing in Android Studio. So you can see our Android project is going to open. Okay, here we need to generate SHA1 key and 256 key. Okay, and we will add here. Okay, now here you will get this Gradle option, then click on this, and then here execute Gradle task, just click on this, and then here write signing report. So we will get SHA1 key and 256 key. Okay, now the spelling of this signing report is correct, I think. Then you can see we have SHA1 key and SHA256 key. So just copy this SHA1 key and then click on add fingerprint and paste here, and then save this. Similarly, we will copy this 256 key, just copy this and just paste here. Add fingerprint and just paste here. Okay, so we have successfully added both SHA keys. Now I'm going to click on this Google services JSON file and we will add into our project. So you can see Google services JSON file is here. Okay, now I'm going to click on this show in folder, so we will be redirected to our download folder. Okay, so just copy this Google services file, and now I'm going to close this Android Android project, and this is our Flutter project. And here inside Android section, inside app, we need to paste that Google services.json file. So now I'm going to open this inside folder. So this is our Ubola cab app, and inside mobile app just go inside user app, and inside user app we have Android section, and inside app we need to paste that Google services file. Okay, this Google services file which we have recently downloaded. So I am going to delete this from download folder. Okay, and I have pasted that Google services file inside app, inside user app. Okay, so we have successfully integrated Firebase into our project. And similarly I'm going to set up uh, inside driver app. Okay, so I'm going to close this project user app, and now I'm going to open our driver application Android section. Okay, and then click on OK, and here just click on this option, and then click on this add project. Okay, and I'm going to write Ubola driver. Okay, and then click on continue, and then here also we need to continue, and then select this Ubola option, and then click create project. Here we have to generate SHA1 and 256 key also. Okay, so just write signing report here and click enter. This is the driver application. Okay, and here you can see our project is ready. Ubola driver project is ready. Now click on continue. Then I think I did some mistakes, so just I'm going to check. Just change this account Rose Kharido, and here I don't want to create this Ubola driver. Actually inside Ubola I want to create this Ubola driver. Okay, so just click on Ubola driver, and now I'm going to delete this. So just click on delete project. Inside Ubola I'm going to, as you know that we have recently created user application. Okay, so similarly we will create for driver application. Okay, so just click on this add app button, and then select this Android option, and then here we need to add package name of our driver application. So just go here inside Android manifest, and then copy this package name and then paste here. Okay, and here Ubola driver app, and then click on this register app option. Okay, the spelling is wrong. Okay, so now I'm going to type again SIGNINGREPURT, and then click on enter. So now we will get SHA1 key and 256 key. Okay, but before I'm going to show build.gradle file. Okay, so here you can select this next button, and then you need to add these Google services. If you didn't add into your project, so you can see here I have already added Google services in Android build.gradle, and in the app build.gradle I have added Google services plugin. Okay, this Google services plugin, and added two dependencies, Firebase BOM and analytics. Okay, so you can see we have already added Firebase BOM and analytics dependency. Okay, so now I'm going to close this both build.gradle file, and then just copy this SHA1 file key from here. Just click on this next button, and then click on continue to console. Then here you can see Ubola driver app is created, and here we need to add SHA1 key. So just paste this SHA1 key which we have copied from here, and then copy this SHA 256 key from here, and then similarly we will add fingerprint and then click on save button. So you can see both fingerprints we have added successfully for both application, user application and for the driver application. Okay, and for the driver application I'm going to click on this, just select Ubola driver app and then click on this google services.json file. So you can see it is downloading. Okay, now I'm going to open this file which is inside download folder. So just copy this. Now I'm going to paste this file inside Ubola app, mobile app, driver app, and inside Android and inside app. We will paste this file. Okay, Google services file. Now we have successfully set up our project. Just go inside cloud messaging for push notification, and here you can see cloud messaging API legacy, it is disabled, so we need to enable this. So just copy this three dots and click on this manage API in Google Cloud Console, and just enable this. Now you can see we have successfully enabled, okay, API service detail, and okay, so we have successfully enabled. Now I'm going to refresh this Firebase, okay, and just close this API services tab. So you can see we have server key. Okay, so with the help of server key we will send push notification to the particular project. Okay, and now our Firebase part is done. Now I'm going to work on Flutter. Okay, so just close this project. Now I'm going to open user Flutter app. Okay, Ubola user Flutter app. So just select this user app which is inside Ubola app. So just click on this OK button. Then you can see this is our Flutter project. Okay, so okay, and now here I have one file, my custom notification. You will get this file from my GitHub. Okay, so I will add this file into our Android project. Okay, so just inside config folder I'm going to create one more folder. Okay, so here click on directory. Okay, and then here notification. Inside notification I'm going to add this my custom notification file. Okay, which is in desktop, this file. Okay, so just copy this and paste inside notification folder. Okay, now I'm going to add some dependencies inside pubsec YML file. So here after Cupertino icons I'm going to add some dependencies. Okay, so Flutter local notification to show the notifications. Okay, and Firebase core So for Firebase messaging, I'm going to check this version, okay, inside pub.dev website. So just search Firebase messaging inside pub.dev website and then click on this Firebase messaging and then go inside installing option and then click this Firebase messaging with version code. So just copy this and paste here. Okay, now I'm going to click on this pub get option. You can see we have successfully imported our all dependencies. Now I'm going to open this my custom notification option here. Here you can see we have two more errors, so just add this Flutter toast dependency also. Just copy this Flutter toast and then paste here. Okay, similarly we will add permission handler, okay, and then here and then click on pub.get file, pub.get option, okay, so our dependency will be imported. Okay, now you can see no errors now in my push notification page. Okay, just close this pubsec.yml file from here and then close this, and I'm going to close this my custom notification option also and just go inside splash screen and then from here in the splash screen just add init state. Okay, init state, inside init state we will import this my custom notification. Okay, so we will call my notification dot my custom notification dot request notification permission. Okay, my custom notification dot request notification permission. Okay, now I'm going to run this application to check whether it is working or not, but before I'm going to open fcm testfcm.com website. Here we need to pass the server key, so you can see in we have server key. Okay, so just copy this server key and paste here, and we will pass a token here, device token, so we can send push notification on particular device with title and body. Okay, so now I'm going to run this application into our device. Okay, so I'm going to add my device. You can see my device is connected. Now I'm going to run this application and I'm going to open Visor to show this device. Okay, so you can see there is one pop-up to allow push notification if your device is Android 13. If below Android 13 it will not ask. Okay, so I'm going to allow this. You can see we have some error, no Firebase app default has been created. So just open this main.dart file and here just remove this const and here write async widget flutter binding dot ensure initialized. Okay, and here we will use await Firebase dot initialize. So we won't get this default error. Okay, Firebase default error. Now I'm going to run this application again. Okay, here you can see this is FCM token. Okay, so with the help of this token we will send this send push notification to this particular device. Okay, so just copy this push notification token, okay, FCM token, and then here just paste here. Okay, and now here just write any title like notification title demo notification body demo. Okay, now I am going to send push notification. Okay, so here you can see no notifications now. Now I'm going to send this. Just click on push notification, and then you can see here we have one notification. Okay, like now I'm going to send this notification again. Okay, so just please click on this push notification button, then you can see here one more notification available. Okay, suppose the application is in minimize. Okay, and now I'm going to click on push notification button. Okay, then you can see here we have one notification, and when we'll click this notification, then you can see one alert showing. Okay, and here you can see notification title and notification description means body. And if the application is closed, and now I'm going to send this notification again, then you can see here we have received one notification, and you can see our application is completely closed. And now I'm going to send it again. You can see no notification and no application. Now you can see one notification is there. Now I'm going to click this. Here you can see this alert, and this is the title and this is the body. So our notification is working fine in user application. Now I'm going to implement Firebase push notification on driver application similarly. Okay, so just close this project. Firstly, I am going to open Notepad, and here I am going to user app FCM token. Okay, here I am going to write the FCM token of user app. Okay, so just copy this token. You can also copy from here. Okay, so just copy this FCM token and paste here. And now I'm going to close this application, and just open driver application. And here I'm going to create one notification folder. this is the driver application. Okay, and I have created one folder here, and inside this folder I am going to copy this my custom notification file and then just paste here. Okay, inside notification folder. So you can see here, this is the warning of it. You can whether either add or cancel. Okay, I'm going to add this. So here you will not get that pop-up. Okay, so now I'm going to add some dependencies. Just open pubsec.yml file, and then after this Cupertino icons, just write flutter underscore open Firebase messaging. Inside installing section, just copy this Firebase messaging, paste here Firebase core and Flutter. Just copy this Flutter local notification. Okay, and paste here, and we need more two dependencies like Flutter toast and one more dependency is there like permission handler. Okay, so just add this and click on pubget. So you can see all dependencies is importing. Now imported successfully. Okay, so now I'm going to click close this, and here you can see no errors now in my custom notification file. Just open my main.dart file and then remove this const, and here I am going to use widget flutter binding dot ensure initialized date, and here I am going to initialize Firebase dot initialize app, and then in the splice screen I am going to use init state, and inside init state I am going to use my custom notification dot request permission. Okay, this method. Okay, basically this method is used to check whether the notification permission is enabled or not in Android 11. Okay, if it is not, then it will ask to accept the permission of notification. If you deny it, then this message will appear. Okay, and similarly this, and after the notification permission granted, then you will get the my token. Okay, and this method is used to get the notification in background, and this method is used to get the notification in foreground. When the application is in foreground, then this method will work. Okay, here you can change icon also of your notification icon. Okay, here also when the application is in background and when the application is in foreground, then you can change the icon also. Just close this, and here in the splash screen we are using this. Okay, now I'm going to run this application. I think Visor is not working, so I'm going to open this again. Okay, so when you will run this application, then you will get this type of interface. Then you need to allow this. Okay, so when you will allow, then you will get this token. Okay, so just copy this token, and now I'm going to open this notepad, and here I am going to paste this token. Okay, and just check this whether it is working or not. So I'm going to send uh, push notification from this website. So just remove this previous FCM token, and now I'm going to use this FCM token. Okay, this FCM token for driver application. Okay, so here you can see now no notifications here. Okay, and here just click on push notification button. Okay, you can see one notification we received. Okay, when the application is in foreground, now I'm going to minimize this application and click on push notification again. Then you can see one notification received, and the pop-up is also showing. Okay, and when the application is closed, now I'm going to send it again. So you can see here again we received one notification when the application is completely closed. So you can see we are receiving notification. Okay, so push notification in application is working very fine. Now I'm going to integrate push notification on Node.js application, and we will send the push notification from Node.js to our application. Okay, so now I'm going to open my Node.js project. So just open VS Code editor, and my project is inside Ubola folder. Okay, so just click on this desktop, go inside Ubola cab, and then web app, and then backend, and this is the node project. So just click on select folder. Here you can see this is our Node.js project. Now firstly I am going to create controller and route. Okay, so here I am going to create one notification controller. .js. Okay, so just copy this user controller whole code and then paste here in the notification controller, and here I'm going to change the method name and just remove this user model. Okay, I'm going to remove this next method. Okay, and here I'm going to remove this also, and here just copy this notify and paste here. So our notification controller is also ready, and now I'm going to here console response.send notification sent. Okay, and now I'm going to create user route. Okay, so here just click on user route and then create notification route, and just copy this user route and paste inside notification route, and then remove this notify and change the controller. So notification controller and here I am going to use notification controller. Okay, so just copy this notification controller and then write dot, then you will get the method name notify. Okay, so when we will hit this route, then we will get notification in my phone. Okay, everything is fine I think, and then I'm going to import one dependency, that is fcm node. Okay, and just open index.js file, and here this is user route, and again I'm going to copy this and paste here, and this will be the notification route. Okay, and just select notification route here and rename this notify route. Just copy this and paste here. Okay, so our route is also ready, notification route. Okay, and here you can see our package is installing and it is taking time. Here you can see our package is imported successfully. Now I'm going to check this route is working or not. Okay, so just write npm start, and now I'm going to open Chrome and then write localhost / API / notify. Okay, just change with get. Okay, here, and then save this inside notification route, and then inside index.js file why it is getting this error, so I'm going to check this. Okay, firstly here I'm going to check. Okay, console.log and then hello. Just save this, and now I'm going to run this again. So here it is working. Okay, and now I'm going to save this again, and now here just click this, so you can see this is working. Okay, now I'm going to write notification code. Okay, so firstly I'm going to console.firebase.google.com here, and we will have to generate one private key from here. So just click on service account, and then select this Node.js and click on this generate new private key, and then click on generate key. Then you can see one file is downloading. Okay, so just go inside download folder and then copy this file, and now I'm going to paste inside this config folder. Okay, in backend project. Okay, in Node.js backend project. So here Ubola cap web app backend config, and then paste here. And here you can see we have that file. Now I'm going to rename this file fcm underscore key. You can see all the credentials available here. Okay, so here I'm going to import that private key. Okay, inside config we have fcm underscore key.json, and now I'm going to use const fcm equals to require, and then import fcm node here. Okay, which we have recently added a dependency. Okay, and inside this method we will take one variable fcm equals to, and then we will use this fcm and then pass our fcm key here. Here we will use, here we will create our title, body and all messages which we want to send to the user. Okay, so this will be the two. Here we will pass token. Okay, and in the notification section we will pass title and body. And then we will execute this operation. So here we will use fcm.send, this fcm.send, okay, to execute, and then we will pass this message. And it will take two parameter, error and response. And here we will check one condition. If there is some error, then we will print, or when we will execute some operation. So here I am going to write error message. Okay, now, and then pass this error. Okay, and in the else condition we will pass another message when we will get, when we can send the message. Okay, sorry, when we, if we have sent the message to the user, then this will execute. Okay, and then here we will pass this response. And now I am going to execute this, okay, and check whether it is working or not. So in the application, firstly I am going to open user app. So this is the user application, and open this notepad and just copy this FCM token, okay, and then paste here user FCM token, okay, inside 2. And now I am going to execute this and check whether the notification is coming or not here, okay. So here just open this and I'm going to hit this. So here you can see in the console, yes, I have received notification, okay, title and body, okay, and in the console we are getting this message sent with message ID this, okay. And now I'm going to send push notification again, okay, with different message like title 1 demo, body 1 demo, and then save this. And in the console I have used stringify, okay, so we can see message ID and all, okay. And now I'm going to hit this. Firstly I'm going to show you there is no any notification. Just click this again, and here now I'm going to start the server, Node.js server, okay. So you can see server is started, and here no notifications now. Now I'm going to execute that 3000 slash API slash notify, okay. And here you can see one notification received, and the title is title1 demo and body is body1 demo, okay. So this is the user application. I'm going to check for the driver application. So just close this application. This is working, okay. This is the driver application. Now I'm going to replace this token, okay. So open this notepad, just copy this FCM token, and now I'm going to replace this FCM token. So just remove this previous token and paste this new driver token. And now I'm going to check whether it is working or not. So here I'm going to hit this from here, okay. Localhost 3000 API notify, okay. And you can see Now you can see we have received notification. Okay, just I'm going to remove this notification from here, and now I'm going to execute it again. So here just click on this again, and okay, I'm going to restart the server, and then you can see here no notifications now. And then I'm going to hit this again, so you can see yes, so you can see one notification received. Okay, just change the title like to and just hit enter again, and then you can see here title to demo, body to demo. Okay, so we have successfully integrated push notification on user application, driver application, and in Node.js. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe my channel.